Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be showing you this makeup right here. We have the new Huda Beauty Lipsticks. I have one of them on now. I'm going to show you all three of them on. I got you, girl. And then this is going to be the star of like the whole tutorial. It was like a first impressions for me, so I'm just going to show you what I used on my eyes, how I used it, what my thoughts are on the palette, and how I created this look. I also have some new ColourPop stuff that I got from Black Friday that I haven't never tried, so I have a couple first impressions. So basically this is like a first impressions video, if you would say. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on everything new that I've bought, just keep watching. So to start off with the eyes, I'm going to be using this palette. This is called the Dream Palette by Sigma and in collaboration with BeautyBird. Jasmine here on YouTube. This is super exciting. So this palette I believe was like $52, which I feel was pretty pricey, but the price is justified just based on what I see in the palette. So I will let you know why the price is justified without actually seeing the formulation, without factoring in the formulation and how good the shadows are. So this, it comes with it. She looks so pretty. So this is how the palette looks. It's a pretty big palette, and what I like is that it has the names in the back just in case we get confused, but it also has the names on the palette, which is awesome. It has a mirror. How super cute is the mirror? Really nice. It says Sigma, and then on the bottom it says BeautyBird. On the palette here it says BeautyBird as well. I love it. It's like a nice marble print, and then it has like a copper detailing on the side. Now this palette, it comes with 20 eyeshadows and a brush, but the brush is dual-sided. Okay, so let's break it down for a second. Alright, you have to remember that this is a Sigma palette brand, right? Sigma makes amazing brushes, so this is not like no rinky-dink like brush that's gonna come in this palette. Like this brush honestly feels more heavy-duty than the palette, which is so crazy. This brush easily $30 because it comes with dual-sided. So imagine you paid $30 just for this brush that comes with two, so technically 15 and 15, and then you paid $20 for the palette. That's basically how they got 50. This is called the Diffused Crease. One side is the E38 and then the other side is an E58. It's a cream color. It's so beautiful. It has BeautyBird on it, and it has the marble right in the center, and then the copper detailing next to the hairs, and then it has the hair, and the hairs feel amazing, and I'm so excited to try this brush. This is how the brush looks. This is one side, and then this is the other. The brush just feels so luxurious and beautiful that I'm really excited that I actually have this brush. I'm so excited. Right when I start to film, that's when he starts to talk, to answer phone calls. Like his voice elevates when he talks on the phone. Like when he's talking with me, he's talking normal, and then he goes on the phone, hey man. Alright, so this eyeshadow palette comes with 20 eyeshadows. The range is beautiful, and overall I do like the color selection. I feel like, you know, it has your more colorful on this side and more neutral on this side, and then on these two it has like your highlighter shades, and it's nice because it has like one for more deeper skin tone and then one for more fairer skin tone, which is really cool. First I'm gonna start off with the shade Boo Boo. Whoever he's talking to on the phone, take him with you. Take him with you. Yes. Oh my god, shut up. Never has any phone calls. Like, nobody calls him in the weekend. And then when I'm going home, everybody wants to call him, text him. No entiendo. I'm gonna take a little bit of caramelito, which is caramel in Spanish, and just blend that on the crease with the same brush, just to make sure that we have a little nice transition. I feel like I might do like a neutral-ish kind of tone video. Pretty. That shade just made like everything blend so nicely. So now I'm gonna take Frenchie and I'm gonna take that with the other side of the brush, the E58, and put it on my... I'm actually gonna take Libra, which is the lighter one here. It is shimmery, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrow bone. Just gonna take a little bit more Boo Boo and darken that up. I'm going in with the neutral shades because I'm not going anywhere anyway, so might as well do the neutral shades. Okay, Libra again, and put that on the inner corner. One way, you know, like I can experiment, talk how I want to talk. I'm gonna go in with Wolf Wolf right up that we used, and I'm just gonna like pat 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 pat. Now I'm just gonna wipe off the brush and then put a little bit of caramelito. Caramelito. And so for the lid, I think I'm gonna go in with Conchita. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on with my finger. Alright, so to moisturize, well, not to moisturize, but to kind of treat my fine lines that I have, I'm going to be using the Peter Thomas Ross Potency Power Serum for fine lines and wrinkles. Serum is that it has vitamin C in it, and it helps to brighten and moisturize. I'm gonna use something kind of like heavy duty. So I'm gonna use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. It has sunscreen in it. I'm not gonna go on the sun, but my skin kind of feels a little dry, so I'm gonna use this. But if you were taking photos like flash photography, I would stay away from anything that says SPF. But if you were like going to like a game or something, like a football game and it's outside, wear your SPF, ladies and gentlemen. And whoever else might be watching my video. In a while, I'm just going to use the Hydrating Primer Base by Kat Von D. It's really nice because it's like a gelish type, but it's very hydrating. Usually gels are for, this is good if you have like oily skin, but you still need and like a lot of hydration on your skin. I feel like this one is really good for that. I mean, I feel like for all skin types, but since it's more of like a gel is always better for oily skin because the gel like absorbs oil but hydrates. I put like a more creamy, thicker lotion moisturizer and then the gel to kind of do both things. Feels like it is ready for some foundation. The foundation that I want to be using today, I ordered some stuff from ColourPop. So I got these on Black Friday and they just came in literally yesterday. So I have the No Filter Foundation Sticks in the shades Medium 90W and Medium 81N. N is neutral, C is cool, W is warm. So I got one neutral, one warm, and one a little lighter, one a little darker, so we'll see. And I also ended up getting this really beautiful, how beautiful is like the packaging. This one is the Glitterily Obsessed by ColourPop. This is the Wish Me Luck. And this is supposed to be like a glitter paste. That's how it looks here. And then put this on the eyes just to kind of say that we do. And this on the eye. And then just tap it. Wow. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. So for foundation, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be putting on, so let me swatch them both, take them out of the packaging. This is how they look. They're supposed to be stick foundations. And I also ended up getting two brushes. So the first brush that I got was the F15, and it's a flat top kabuki brush. So this one is going to be for foundation. I'm going to use it to buff out the foundation. And then I also got this one. This one is the E5. And I think these were like $5 each. So I'm so excited. I'm just going to apply the lighter one, the medium 81N, and see if that's too light for me. Ooh. I don't really like the smell. It's not too strong, but I mean, I'm applying it to my face, so I definitely can smell it. I'm like super impressed so far, and the color is like my perfect color. So it's like my fair shade, but it's still, well, it's actually kind of lighter than my body, huh? I'm just kind of going over it, I guess, because it's a force of habit, but I don't see a difference. I think the brush blended it out so nice. Do some concealer. I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Oh, and this is in the shade Light Neutral. I like a pinkier under eye. When you put it on, right? And it gets, look at how dark it gets. Okay, I just want you to see it. Look at it swatched, and then look at that. Doesn't that look lighter than this right now? I feel like it doesn't even give any coverage. I just feel like it's so thin. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Shape Tape. Yeah, maybe this foundation is just a little bit too light. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use the Hourglass setting powder. So I got this cream contour kit. I'm gonna go in and set that contour with the powder contour kit, and I'm just gonna take this, the middle shade, and set that contour. I'm going to take the new brush that I got from ColourPop, and I'm going to use this and brighten up my under. Okay, so I contoured my nose and highlighted my nose, and then I was going to move on to highlight, but I totally forgot that I didn't do my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with 805. Actually, I'm going to go in with Boo Boo first, and then I'm going to go in with 805. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with 825 and also put that on my lower lash line a little bit closer to the lash line. And then I'm just going to take the Libra shade with the flat brush and put that on the lower inner corner. But remember that putting the glitter on, it does say that it's only good for the body. So I'm going to go into highlight. I'm going to be using the Amrezy highlight. I'm doing what Amrezy says to do, to not like set the cheek, only to set like underneath the eye, and then to leave the rest wet so that the highlight can marry into the foundations. And I'm going to go in with the blush by Lorac in the shade Prism. But I want like my cheeks to pop out more, if that like is even possible. So I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Gold Deposit, which is like a bronzy, and then kind of put that also to like bronzify. See the difference? You see? I love doing that. Taking Gold Deposit is extremely similar to the Mariah Carey one that I use. Probably almost identical, to be honest with you. It just gives you like the perfect like bronzed like cheek, you know? So I was gonna put lashes on, but these lashes looking real poppin' naturally, so I'm not gonna put any lashes on. I used the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Love it. Guys, so I'm gonna go in with these. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the purple one. Okay guys, that is it. That is all that I have for you guys today. I absolutely loved, oh my god, all these lip colors. The Sigma palette I think is absolutely phenomenal, and the brush that it comes with is so amazing. So ColourPop foundation is really nice. Glitter, I really liked it. Would I use it for the body? No, but I loved it for my eyes. So if you want to try out those glitters, just be careful because you're not supposed to put it on your eye. It's only meant for the body, but I'm a rule breaker. The lipstick looks beautiful and it feels really good on the lips. Like you can feel a little bit of grittiness because I mean it's full glitter throughout the whole lipstick, but it's nothing that's super uncomfortable, which is what I appreciate. If you guys are interested in getting any of these lip colors, which one was your favorite? Like which one did you like? Did you like this one, the purple one, or the deeper like red one? Which one did you like? Like let me know. I don't know which one's my favorite because they're all so beautiful. I couldn't pick. That is all that I have for you guys today. Please make sure that you subscribe. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos. And any information, I'll leave it down in the description bar of any of the products and the prices and everything. If you have any questions, please let me know down below because if you're curious, I have the answer for you. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day. Bye.